What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. And as you can already tell by the title, I'm going to be doing a Fashion Nova try on haul. I think that's how you say it, whatever. But just know that I'm going to be trying on some clothes. I'm going to be showing y'all so y'all can let me know if it's a yay or a nay. So before we get started with this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And then at the end of the video, comment or let me know your favorite outfit. But without further ado, let's get straight into the video. I'm sorry, I can't really like get the angles right, but this is outfit number one. This is something that you like relax around the house in or whatever. So let's go on to the next outfit. So the next one is just this sweater. Okay, so I really like it because of the color. It's like a, I'm not sure if the camera is picking up the color, but it's like a neon yellow, like light green. I still have on the that one piece that I had on before this because it's just a sweater. So I was like, I could just put this on over this. Y'all could do that too. But yeah, this is outfit number two. Now let's get to number three. So the next outfit is a two-piece. I'm not sure if y'all can see, but it's like pants with two stripes on the side, and then these. It's like really stretchy, so this obviously, you know, it would have to be a little bit warmer outside to wear this, but it's like almost like a workout outfit, so you can like go working out and stuff. But what is this? Outfit number three. So let's get into number four. I'm back with outfit number four. This is a bodysuit. It snaps at the bottom, and then these are the jeans. It has rips and everything, honey. So this is what outfit number four. This is like a, you know, going out to the movies or something, whatever. But all right, let's get, wait, what number isn't it? This is 4. So let's get to the fifth and final outfit. All right, you guys, so this is the last outfit. Well, right now you can only see the sweater. You see it has little shoulders out. I do have more clothes on the way, so I think it's like 6 more outfits on that one. But this was my first one, so make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what your let me know what your favorite outfit was. And then I will also leave the link in the description below so y'all can go get these outfits. But yeah, that pretty much wraps up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and thank you so much for all of you that have subscribed. I'm at 60 subscribers, but listen, we are on the way to 100 subscribers, and once I hit 100, I might do a giveaway. So without further ado, oh, I guess it wouldn't be a without further ado because I already did the video and this is the end. But yeah, thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.
Wanna go bikey on the beat, bikey, bikey on the beat, bikey. Just wanna go bikey on the beat, bikey, bikey. Come on, bitch, you just wanna be bikey.